So we've got the frog stand, also known as the crow, and it's an epic way to start to really feel the balance and being able to shift your weight from your fingertips to your palms when you start trying to get taller. So anytime in gymnastics, you want to stay as small as you can, early as you can, and then as you get better, increasing that length is going to make it more difficult. So to get in the game for balancing, we're going to spread our fingers as wide as we can to create as much surface area. We're digging our elbow into the inside of our kneecap. And then what we want to do is shift our body weight as far forward as we can so that we've got our elbow stacked above our wrist. What you'll find is if your elbow is too far behind your wrist, you're not going to be able to get off the floor. So over time, you really want to shift the elbow forward. Yep, hold there. So another way you can do it is by putting your head on the floor. You can see now his elbow is directly above his wrist. His hips are a lot higher. Now to start balancing, I want you to lift your head off the floor. See if you can balance. Struggle. Cool. So you can start to shift from side to side as well. So getting the hips up as high as you can, being able to come forward into that, lifting your hips off the floor, and then if you want to, you can use your head, or you can start to press out and sort of shift, and ideally over time you'll be able to hold that crow position for a lot longer.